Hi, it's Andrew from I'm No Gardener, and we've had our first hard frost of the season. So today I'm going to decommission my water feature by emptying the top and giving the lily pond a good clean. I'm going to get underneath where there's a 150 litre sump that acts as a reservoir that houses the pump. Take the pump out, give that a good clean and a bit of a service, including its solar panel, and then the sump is going to stay empty all winter. I will put the lily pond back on top and I will put water in it, and I'll make sure that that stays ice free right through the winter so that the birds have got somewhere to drink. Game on!